Hello everyone, how are you all? Today I am going to teach about the most important topic of biochemistry, that is amino acids. It is the interesting one also. So let's study about amino acids. We mainly classify amino acids into categories, that is essential and non-essential and semi-essential amino acids. Let's study firstly about essential amino acids. Essential amino acids cannot be made by the body. These are the type of amino acids that cannot be made by our body, but they are very essential for our growth and development, so we must take these essential amino acids from the food. Now, the example of essential amino acids: arginine, histidine, isoleucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, thiourine, tryptophan and valine. Remembering this is very difficult. Now, I will tell you the easy way how you can remember the essential amino acids. Now, the mnemonic for remembering these essential amino acids is PVT Tim Hall. In PVT, P stands for phenylalanine, V stands for valine, and T stands for tryptophan. Now Tim. Here in Tim, T stands for thiourine, I stand for isoleucine, M stand for methionine, Hall, H stand for histidine, arginine, A stand for arginine, L stand for lysine and another L stand for leucine. Among these amino acids, Hall, that is basic amino acids, HAL, histidine, arginine and lysine. These three amino acids are your basic amino acids. Among these three amino acids are your basic amino acids. Among these three amino acids, these three are basic amino acids. You can remember by the mnemonic HAL, HAL, histidine, arginine and lysine. Among the amino acids, I live for the branch of this military. I live for the branch of this military. Live, LIV. These three are the branched amino acids, that is leucine, isoleucine and valine. Among the last two are the ketogenic amino acids, that are lysine and leucine. Among these amino acids, two are semi-essential amino acids. What are semi-essential amino acids? These have to be taken in our diet under certain circumstances. What? Arginine and histidine. These two amino acids are semi-essential amino acids. Now another mnemonic how you can remember the essential amino acid. Try this VIP mall. Try, that is tryptophan. T, that is thiourine, histidine, V, valine, isoleucine, P, phenylalanine, M, methionine, A, arginine, L, that is leucine, another L, that is lysine. Among these amino acids, A and H, these two are semi-essential amino acids, that is histidine and arginine. That two are the semi-essential amino acids. Now come on to the another category of amino acids, that are non-essential amino acids. That these are the amino acids that can be produced in our body, that can be made by humans, that they are also essential for the diet. The example are alanine, asparagine, aspartic acid, cysteine, glutamic acid, glutamine, glycine, proline, serine, tyrosine. Now the mnemonic, how can you remember the non-essential amino acids? Almost all girls go crazy after getting taken prom shopping. After almost all girls go crazy after getting taken prom shopping. Almost. A here stand for alanine. All. A here stand for asparagine. Girls. G here stand for glutamate. Next, go, glutamine. C here stand for cysteine. A here stand for aspartate. Getting G here stand for glycine. Taken T here stand for tyrosine. Prompri here stand for proline. And shopping S here stand for the serine. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you very much.